So this is a very special video for all of you that have requested this video. So I'm going to show you how to unlock your phone. It is actually very simple. So after you unlock it, you will be able to use it with any GSM SIM card of your choice. You're going to start by typing *#06#. Alright, so you will see the 15-digit IMEI number pop up on your screen. This is probably the most important step of the whole unlocking procedure. Based on this number, we're gonna request the unlock code to unlock this phone, okay? So this is probably the most important part. With that said, let's proceed. Alright, so the next step is to go to the internet. Here we will unlock the phone. We have to fill in the form, the brand of your phone. So this will work for any other brand as well. Then you're gonna write down your IMEI number. That's the number we got at the beginning of the video, so just make sure you write it down correctly. Then you have to type the email where you want to receive your code or the notification that your phone has been unlocked. So just make sure you write it down correctly. It's very important, otherwise you won't get your unlock code. So just make sure it is 100% correct. Alright, so now you have to wait until you get your unlock code. This will take a couple of days, as I said before, so you have to be very patient. But for this example, I'm gonna show you how the email I got looks. So I'm gonna go to my personal email account. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. So I'm just gonna open it. So as you can see here, it says that everything went successful and now we have instructions on how to activate the unlock. In some cases, you're gonna have an unlock code. In other cases, you simply will get a confirmation that your phone has been remotely unlocked. Either way, I'm gonna show you how to do the unlock or how to activate the unlock. I'm gonna switch back cameras. Okay, so we're gonna power out the phone, and once the phone is fully off, we're gonna replace the SIM card. So we're gonna go ahead and insert the unlock code, okay? Perfect, that's it guys. And my phone is now fully factory unlocked. Now I can use it with Rogers, T-Mobile, Vodafone, O2 or any other GSM SIM card worldwide. It is as simple as that guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions on the comments section down below. And thank you for watching. We upload videos every week, so remember to subscribe. Thank you and peace.